For today's easy Christmas cookie recipe, we're making these classic chocolate crinkle cookies. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk this until everything is well combined. In a large bowl or the bowl of your stand mixer, combine 3/4 of a cup of granulated white sugar and 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but any mild oil would work in this recipe. Mix this on low for about 2 minutes or until the oil and sugar begin to incorporate and you have a sandy texture. Now we can add in 2 large room temperature eggs as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue mixing on low for about 2 minutes or until all of the ingredients are well incorporated. As always, all of these instructions as well as the full recipe can also be found down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out as well. Now we can add in our dry ingredients, and we can do this in one addition. Since this is such a wet cookie dough, we're not going to make a big mess. Once again, we're going to mix this on low until all of the flour and dry ingredients are incorporated and no streaks remain. Since this is such a soft dough, we will need to chill this before baking. You're going to want to cover it with some plastic wrap and chill for at least 2 hours or preferably overnight. Now that our dough has chilled, in a small bowl, place 1/2 a cup of powdered sugar. Using a 1.5 tablespoon cookie scoop, scoop balls of dough and drop them straight into your powdered sugar. This is a very sticky dough, so it's best not to handle it with your bare hands. We're going to fully coat these in the powdered sugar, shaking off the excess, and place them on a parchment-lined tray. These will bake in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 8 minutes. Allow them to cool in the pan for a moment, and then move them to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. That is how you make classic crinkle cookies. These cookies have such a wonderful design for Christmas and a nice soft cakey texture. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I'll link the rest of the series here. Thanks for watching!